Since this rig is so old, might take a minute or so to warm up, although I have been running it a little bit to get it warmed up. I don't use this machine a whole lot, so everything, well, is probably just a little tired. So let's see. I guess I can show you what this does, you know, how many CFM you gain, depending on which way you have it slid over to. And then to actually go and turn the brush roll off, I can just push the thermal reset button right here. So let's start out over here, and here we go. Yeah, no real increase. So we have a couple different suction levels to try, namely with the switch over on high and then down on low, which will give us a little higher suction.